So today we are at the Copart lot in Tampa, Florida, and we tried to get a car, but they wouldn't let us get it because we didn't have a tow truck. So we enlisted the help of our good friends here. D&T Transportation.
So they're gonna help us out.
They're gonna help us out. They're gonna haul it all the way to Chattanooga. Oh, where?
How you feel about it, Yuri?
I mean, it's about as bad as I thought. I hope there's nothing else hiding. That's about it.
Yeah.
That's about the only thing I'm worried about. But other than that, it looks all right.
All right, we're good to go.
Sir, we'll follow you. I appreciate you more. Hey, let me get your number, bro.
I'm always here. Here, or you can just call me or him. That's my partner right there.
I'm Nelson. I'm a retired Navy veteran. You know, I do this for fun. Yeah,
Yes,
I mean,
sir. Sounds good.
This shit right here is
What's your
simple,
number?
man. 321.
What are you under on YouTube?
23rd Garage.
23rd Garage? Okay.
Yeah, check us out.
All right, you got it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
How you feeling about your new whip, Yuri?
I'm worried. Drives good,
Really?
for the most part.
That's the wheel rubbing.
I think we're good.
Maybe you should have came with the freaking frame machine.
No,
eh?
look, we can put the scissor jack in there, but there's no reason for it. It's not gonna do anything. There's nothing sharp hidden, so we're good. Eddie, you said you checked the oil, right?
Yeah, it's full.
All right, let's go. We do have a check engine light, but that just means that we check the engine. All right, so we stopped by the gas station because Johnny needed to pee. And, oh, they both needed to pee. They're both, never mind. So basically, it's almost as I expected. It's got some spot paint right here, which is not a big deal, but I was not expecting that. Johnny was very upset about that. Obviously needs a quarter panel and a door.
I'm honestly like,
How's the damage look inside here? Is it?
No, I don't.
it's not
I've
terrible.
already opened it.
It's ripped up to there, there.
I think a little bit of Bondo and all that will buff right out.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Matter of fact, you don't even need Bondo, just like glaze.
Look, and the door. Look at that gap, dude. The door shuts perfectly.
I might just not even like fix it.
Just whip it for like a few months, then put it back
No,
on.
I'm
Copart.
kidding. But there's some spot repair going on right here.
Yeah, the bumpers definitely got painted. Yo, here's the best part though, right here.
Yeah, that's literally the only reason I bought this car. That and it's a manual. So
Yeah, we literally like hopped on the auction that morning. We were working on the Accord, and I was like, "Yo, check out this car. You want to play it?" And
Yeah.
you didn't even expect to win it, honestly.
no, I didn't. And it was a very intense battle between me and somebody else. And honestly, I should have let it go probably, but I had like way too much adrenaline pumping, and I just had to get the last word in, you know. So I ended up getting it for $3 grand. But after buyout fees and after this trip, I'll probably be almost 4,000 in it. And then I already found the door and the quarter for $100, which is like nothing. Man, look at that. No engine light, no any kind of light besides the TPMS light, which obviously that one wheel is cut. It's in the trunk, so that's nothing. Engine light was on when we first started it, and then when we drove it to the restaurant, I'm guessing the battery charged up and it took that light off, because the battery, if the battery dies on these cars, it will set an engine light telling you that the battery's dead. And so, you know, they started it at the auction to run it through the cell, which charged it up, and then it was probably low voltage, because you'll pop a code for low voltage, and then once the battery charged up and it reset itself, we're good to go. So super excited about that. I mean, this thing's just, it's a driver, it's ready to go. And since we already have all the parts pretty much, we just got to go cut them, Nate. Got to go over to Bobby's and cut them, and then that's it. Get the paperwork done, get this thing back on the road. Probably not going to sell it. I'd say probably not going to sell it. There's no way I'm going to sell it. These things right here, you can get up to like 600 miles per tank, especially since it's a manual. You get way better fuel mileage. And then there's none of that BS DEF that you have to pour in there. This has the diesel particulate filter, which we can regenerate with our computer. So, you know, low maintenance, low upfront cost. Like, bro, you're not getting this car for $4 grand. I don't care who you are, you know? You might get a good deal, but to find one this clean, a manual, a diesel with only 138,000 miles, like, I think that's the deal of the century.
Yes, sir. Made it back.
Yes, sir. All the way, what was that? 600 miles. 600 miles. She did beautifully. Didn't even have to fill the fuel tank up. Didn't even burn an entire tank of fuel. That's crazy. To go that far and not have to fill up again, I think that's a win. But yeah, there's nothing really wrong with it either. I mean, besides that quarter panel, of course.
How bad is it?
Wow.
What do you think, Ben?
For the first time.
You want to do it? You want to do it for me? Look, just splice it in like this.
1 hour job. No, that's not even bad at all. It didn't even hit the suspension, did it?
I don't think so. It's been buffed. Somebody really tried to doll this thing up. Yeah, so I'm thinking a GLI front bumper, a GLI front grille, possibly some aftermarket headlights if I find some nice ones. Well, that's it. You guys seen it in the exact condition we got it. We even already put 600 miles on it, which is a good thing. And if you're wondering what the plan is on this car, as you guys know, I have a big diesel truck, and my other car, my Infiniti, the transmission went out, and the M3's not done yet. So I figured I need to get me a little daily to whip around, and what better than a manual diesel Volkswagen Jetta. It's a German car, it's small, it's nice, it's comfortable, and it's absolutely amazing on gas. And if we tune this thing up, it's gonna be a beast. So stay tuned. We got a lot of things I'm going to do to it. Definitely not gonna keep it stock, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.